Hello and good evening. This is Chirag Gupta and you're watching The Chirag Show. So today is the day for sports news, but first let us discuss the big stories of the day. Rising GDP for government means rising prices of gas, diesel and petrol, said the Congress leader Rahul Gandhi. Rahul Gandhi Wednesday took a swipe at the Narendra Modi-led central government over the hike in prices of domestic cooking gas, petrol and diesel. He said there is a new concept of GDP where rising GDP means a rise in prices of gas, diesel and petrol. Modi ji keeps saying that GDP is rising. Finance Minister also says that GDP is showing an upward projection. I then understood what does it mean by GDP. It means gas, diesel and petrol. They have this confusion, Gandhi equipped while addressing a press conference. The second big story of the day is the Delhi sees highest rain in September in 19 years. IMD issues orange alert. IMD senior scientist R.K. Janami on Wednesday told that the Delhi was witnessing the highest rainfall in September in 19 years. Safdarjung and Lodi Road areas had recorded 11.2 cm of rain, he added. We have issued an orange alert for today, the scientist added, stating that this is the fifth highest rainfall in 24 hours in Delhi. The city has also received about 19 to 20 cm of rain in the last 27 hours, he added. And the third big story of the day is Indore has become the first district in the country to administer the first dose to all eligible beneficiaries. After vaccinating 28.08 lakh people by Tuesday evening, Indore, the most populous district of Madhya Pradesh, became the first district in the country to have vaccinated its entire targeted population for the first dose of over 10 lakh. Now it's time for some sports news. Tamil Nadu government announces rupees 2 crore for the Mariappan Thangavelu. The Tamil Nadu government on Tuesday announced a purse of rupees 2 crore for Paralympic from the state, Mariappan Thangavelu, in recognition of his winning a silver medal in high jump in Tokyo Paralympics 2021. As the Tamil Nadu Governor Banwari Lal Purohit and Chief Minister M.K. Stalin congratulated the Indian team for re-upping success at the ongoing event. The second big sports news of the day is the Afghanistan cricketer Roya Sameem said, "We asked ICC for the help when Taliban came, but nothing happened." With Afghanistan in a state of turmoil following the Taliban takeover, cricketer Roya Sameem said she is still waiting for the International Cricket Council to respond to how things stand for her and her teammates' cricketing future. Worried about the fate of her teammates who have been left behind, Sameem told The Guardian, "My other teammates who stay in Afghanistan are afraid they stay in their houses. We all emailed to the ICC but got no response from them," Sameem added. She also said, "We even mailed the Afghanistan Cricket Board but didn't receive any reply." However, ICC denied receiving such email. The third big story of the day is the Pro Kabaddi League Season 8, where over 190 players sold for rupees 48.22 crores. Over 190 players were sold to 12 franchise teams in the Vivo Pro Kabaddi League Season 8 auction, with as many as 10 final bid match FBM cards being used in the auction for the 8th season of the Pro Kabaddi League. Slated to take place in December, the organizers said on Wednesday. Raider Pradeep Narwal emerged as the highest paid Kabaddi player in the PKL's history as the 3-day auction witnessed team spent rupees 48.22 crore in total across various categories. Narwal smashed a record after he was bought up by the UP Yodha for his 1.65 crore, while Siddharth Desai was retained by the Telugu Titans through FMBM card for his 1.30 crores. The fourth big sports story of the day is related to the ICC Test ranking, where Joe Root reclaims a top spot and Rohit Sharma overtakes Virat Kohli in the Test rankings. England captain Joe Root has reclaimed the top spot for batsmen in the latest ICC Men's Test Play ranking. Root's return to the top of the summit after nearly 6 years comes on the back of his sublime form in the ongoing ICC World Test Championship series against India. The 30-year-old had started this series in the 5th position, but his tally of 507 runs in 3 tests helped him overtake Virat Kohli, Marnus Labuschagne, Steve Smith and New Zealand captain Kane Williamson, whom he now leads by 15 rating points. Root was second before the Leeds test, in which he scored 121 in England's only innings. The fifth and the last big sports story of the day is where WFI asked wrestlers to give contract details. The Wrestling Federation of India President Brij Bhushan Singh announced that only athletes who submitted a hard copy of their contract with private sponsors would be allowed a chance to compete in the trials for the World Championship. The move was a part of an ongoing dispute of the WFI with private sponsors of athletes like GSW and OGQ. So that's all for the day, and meet you tomorrow with some other big news stories. Thank you very much.